Hi friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can fix svchost.exe or NetSVCS hard disk usage. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very step that you need to do is to run a good optimizer. I suggest you to go for Vscare optimizer. Paid version of this optimizer is paid, but I'll provide the description or I'll provide the link in the below description so that you can easily download it at totally free of cost. Kindly run it in your computer to completely scan your PC for any kind of malicious items or any kind of malwares in your computer. Now in second step, we are going to suspend some services. For that, simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command and type here services.msc and hit the enter button. In services.msc, you need to disable some services. First of all, we are going to disable background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. In the startup type, choose disable, and in service setup, click on the stop button. Do the same with Windows Update service. Windows Update, disable, hit apply button and OK. And third one is sysmain, SYSMAIN. Disable and stop it. Hit apply and OK button. This one is the second step. Now in the third step, we are going to clear all the events. So for that, simultaneously press Windows and R key and type here event viewer.msc and hit the enter button. All the commands I'll provide you in the description below, so you do not need to worry about it at all. In the event viewer, in this left pane on the Windows log, double click on it and one by one application security setup system and forwarded events. You need to clear log by right click on it and click on clear log button. Security, clear log, setup, system and forwarded events. This one is the third step for clearing all the events. Now in the fourth step, we are going to disable some background services. So for that, simultaneously press Windows and I key to open the settings menu and type here background. Click on background apps. These are the apps running in the background. So depending upon your choice, you can disable some services or disable all services by pressing over here, by disabling all the background apps. Now in the fifth step, press Windows and R key to open the run command and type here regedit and hit the enter button. In the registry editor, you need to go H key local machine, expand it and choose system, again expand it and choose current control set, expand it and choose control, expand it, and in control you will find a service known as SVC host split threshold. Double click on it and here the value which is showing you need to change its value. Open calculator. You need to type here the value of your total RAM. If you have a 4 GB RAM, type 4 into 1024 4096. My RAM is 4096, so I'll click over here 4096 and hit the OK button. In order to how much RAM you have, right click on this PC option. In the properties menu you will find over here installed RAM is 4 GB. Depending upon your RAM, you need to change over here the value data. This one is the 5th step. And lastly, the 6th step. First of all, restart your computer after doing these 5 steps. If still you unable to disable this service, or if still it is showing high disk usage, press the Windows key and type here CMD and click on the next administrator button. In the 6th step, we are going to repair any health issues. So you need to type here BISM space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health. This command will go ahead and restore any kind of abnormality if you have in your operating system. After that, press the enter button. The service has started and it will take quite some time, between 15 to 30 minutes, for restoring the health. So I'll go ahead and minimize it. At your end, you need to perform these 6 steps. Even after doing these 6 steps, the problem still persists or still remains, kindly comment below and I'll provide you another resolution on how you can resolve this issue. If you like my tutorial, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends also. That's it about this NET SVCS high disk usage. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.